So I posted this video on V-lighting extensions and how it's made. So I got a lot of comments from you all, which I really appreciate, because without you guys I'm not there's no me here. So which I really appreciate, asking about what glue was used for the V-lighting and how is it removed. So these questions really made me know that my audience are really open and really ready to learn and also show interest in what I post, which I really appreciate, and thank you for always showing up for us. So in this video I'll be showing you how the glue, what glue was used, and how it is removed. Hey beautiful family, it's your girl Lolari Line, where we talk about all about hairs and wigs. You know, we always give you updates on hairs and wig all the time. So let's get straight into what we're about to do today. But before we get started, kindly click on the subscribe button if you are new to our channel, and also leave a comment and like under this post. Thank you. So let's get straight to the video of the day, which is V-lighting hair extensions. So what exactly is V-lighting hair extension? Is adding extra hairs into your hair in order to give it that fuller look. It's just to cover up all those loopholes in order to make it full and make the hair very realistic as possible. That's the purpose of V-light hair extension. So in this video I'll be showing you the glue that was used in this post, because I got a question like what glue was used and everything. So V-lighting hair extension has its own set of tools that are used for it, which contains the glue removal, the machine to hold the glue, and the machine to remove the glue, and other things that are used in the process. You'll be seeing the whole video in this post of the glue, the set, and everything. I'll be showing you the video here, so you'll be able to know that it requires a whole process. If a stylist is doing V-lighting for you and doesn't have this set, they are not really doing it the right way, because this V-lighting requires a whole procedure on its own. Because different hair extension requires different process to put it into the hair. So to answer your question as regards what glue was used for V-lighting, just watch this video, see the way they glued it in and the whole process. So the V-lighting machine to hold the glue that they are using in this video is just the same way we have our, you know, the way we dry our nails when we paint our nails, that we have to use the nail dryer. That same way it is to hold the glue very well, to make the glue dry into the air so it won't be pulling off. That's why the V-lighting machine was used. That one that has the light in it was used to hold the glue. That's the whole process of it. So just watch the way they are holding the glue in this video. So after watching the process of holding the glue, so now let's move to the removal part, the removal aspect, how the glue is being removed. So when they want to remove the glue from the V-lighting, there is this V-lighting liquid to remove liquid removal to remove the glue. There is a removal liquid that is used to remove the glue, which I'll be showing in this video. See the way they are using the liquid to remove the V-light extension from the hair. So they apply the glue to the hair, and they use the machine removal to remove the V-light extension from the hair. So that way the hair doesn't, you don't lose your hair, and you have any problem with hair loss and all like that. So if you don't follow this procedure, you'll never be able to understand how it's been done and how it's being removed. So I believe after watching this video, you'll be able to learn something new, and I'll be able to answer all your questions as regards V-lighting. If you have other questions as regards V-lighting, you can leave a comment under this post. And thank you for always showing up. We always appreciate you guys all the time. We appreciate this beautiful Lolari Line family, and thank you all for always being there for us and leaving a comment and liking our posts. We appreciate you all. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the like button and leave a comment under this post, and share with your family and friends who want to learn more about V-lighting and also want to learn more about hairs and wig from us. You know, we always give you updates all the time. So thank you all. See you in our next video. Bye.